Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech PD. In this video, I am going to show you how to find your user ID on Discord. So we are just going to start by opening up the Discord application. Click on in the bottom right hand side and then click on the settings icon in the top right. Now we need to scroll the way to down the bottom and click on Advanced. And you need to make sure developer mode is turned on and enable. Once you have done this, you can head back over to the Discord home screen and click on Home in the bottom left hand side. Now go and select one of your conversion from this list. And then we need to click on our profile name from the conversion. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right hand side and select Copy User ID. Now if I head over to the Notes application on my phones and go and paste in that ID, you can see now on the screen. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.